Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing this makeup look right here. This is a kind of a everyday makeup look, everyday natural makeup look. If you are a college going girl or a office going girl, then you can definitely go with this sort of a look. And I didn't include any sort of foundation or CC or BB cream in this video. Yes guys, I'm telling the truth. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. As you guys can see, I have nothing on my face right now. I just come out from the shower and this is my bare face. I have just a lip balm because I always used to apply a lip balm after I come out from the showers. That is a really good habit. You should definitely do that. Guys, makeup करने से पहले मैं अपनी hair को पहले tie कर लेती हूँ. So for that I'm using this hairband and let's tie our hair so that it won't disturb us. So the first thing I always do is I always prep my skin really well. So if your skin is fully prepped, then the makeup gonna glide on your face like quickly and so easily. Guys, in this makeup routine I'm not gonna include any foundation or BB cream or CC cream, any sort of that, because I personally don't really like to apply those in my daily basis and in my daily makeup routine. This is gonna be very natural and quick. Guys, this is summer. We cannot apply a lot of moisturizer on our face. I'm an oily skin girl, so I really like to apply the moisturizer which is very thin in texture. Guys, I generally go for aloe vera gel first in my day-to-day makeup routine. So this is the aloe vera gel from Mamaearth. I always recommend you to buy this aloe vera gel because this is really good. Guys, I don't know why, but this is really helping for my pimple because I had a pimple right here. I hope you guys can see. This tends to be very big and this really helps to calm it down. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on my finger. So you can see I have just take a little bit. So this aloe vera gel also act like a primer. Just moisturize your skin really well so that your makeup gonna glide on your skin like butter. Guys, if you're a dry skin girl, then definitely go for a thick moisturizer or the moisturizer you like. But if you are an oily skin girl, then definitely go for a aloe vera gel. Guys, after our moisturization, the next thing is to apply a sunblock or a sunscreen. So for me, I like to apply Mamaearth sunscreen. You can apply any of SPF that you have, but I really like to go for the Mamaearth sunscreen, and that is really good, and that is what working for me because I have an oily skin, so I cannot go for any sunscreen. Sunscreen tends to get a little oily for me, so I like to apply a Mamaearth sunscreen. Guys, in this tub I have a little bit of sunscreen and this is the Mamaearth one, so I like to apply a little bit on my skin. Guys, after your sunscreen is done, then you have to apply a concealer on your problematic area. The first thing is you have to find out those problematic area that you have on your face. So for me, I have a little bit of dark circle problem and I have a little bit of here and there pimple marks. So I want to conceal those areas. For you, it may be any dark circle or pigmentation. You can definitely correct that using concealer. So for me, I'm using this Wet n Wild concealer. I'm in the shade Tawny base. This is a very good concealer. I always prefer to apply this concealer. This is so natural and so good. So I like to apply this concealer on my under eyes, like here and here, because I have a dark circle problem, like little bit of dark circle problem, not that much, and I like to correct little bit spots on my face that I have due to my pimples. Guys, I do have a little bit of redness around my nose, so I want to conceal those. So yeah, then I like to take a beauty sponge. I will definitely prefer to go for a beauty blender like this. This is from Miniso. You can buy it online because Miniso is now available in Amazon. I will definitely provide the link. You can buy this sponge. So I'm gonna blend this concealer. Guys, you really have to dab your concealer. Don't drag your concealer, just dab it on your skin like this. Guys, always go for a concealer which is your shade. Don't go for a highlighting concealer in daily basis. That's gonna really look fake on your face. You can see this is my correct shade and I don't like to go for a highlighting concealer or a lighter than my shade. You can clearly see my dark circle is not fully hidden. That is what I like in my daily basis, because I don't like my flawless makeup. Guys, you always have to love your skin. If you're gonna love your skin, then your skin will react better. Like if you have so many flaws and you are so worried about it, then you're gonna apply so much of makeup on your skin. That will really spoil your skin quality. So keep that in mind, guys. Always love your skin. Yeah guys, I'm done with blending my concealer. The next thing is to apply a compact powder. Always keep it in mind, you have to definitely apply a compact powder. I am using my favorite compact powder by Lakme. This is called the Lakme Sun Expert with SPF 40. I like to use this sponge, and I like to powder those areas which I concealed so that it won't crease. Guys, I really don't like to put powder everywhere on my face because I like this glow on my face. With that, our base makeup is done. You can see my base clearly. This is looking really good. The next step is to do your brows. I would highly recommend you that if you are someone who is not doing your brows, then definitely do your brows, guys. You're gonna love it, the effect it will give to your face. You're gonna love that. So for me, I like to apply the Samini Show brow pencil. This is, I think, also available on Amazon, and if you don't find it online, then you can definitely go for the Maybelline Fashion brow pencil. I guess that is really good. The first thing I do is I comb my eyebrow. Like, clearly see the difference in my both eyes. This is looking really flattery and this is like normal. So our mascara is done. With this, my eye makeup is also done. I don't really apply anything on my eyes rather than a mascara. I don't apply anything on my face, a blush or a highlighter in a daily basis. But for this video, I'm definitely gonna apply a blush because I want to tell you one thing, that how you can create your natural blush on your cheeks. For my blush, I'm gonna use a lipstick. Yes guys, you heard it right. This is a makeup hack, and so I'm using this lipstick. This is by the Maybelline, and this is, I think, the creamy matte range, and this is in the shade touch of spice. So you can really apply any of your creamy lipstick. So what you have to do is just apply a lipstick on the apple of your cheeks. I just apply the lipstick very close to my eyes and my nose. So then just blend it with your fingers. You can see this is looking so natural. You cannot see any blush like in the camera, but you can definitely see in real life. This is looking really natural and good. So yeah, I'm done with my blush. So the next thing is to apply a nice lipstick. You guys know that I love to apply new lipstick on daily basis. For this look, I like to apply this one. This is from the Wet n Wild, and this is their Catsuit range, and this is in the shade Give Me Mocha. This is a pretty brownie nude color, so me. So yeah, I like to apply this lipstick. You can apply any lipstick which you like. So my lipstick is also on. So this is the final look. Guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what other video you want me to do, and also subscribe my channel for see more such video. So yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Until then, stay happy and stay safe. Bye.